So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Snapchat account is telling you that whenever you're logging in, that your Snapchat account has been locked for violating community guidelines. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the big thing you're going to want to do here and to keep in mind is that you want to make sure that you didn't just go through and either log in a bunch of times or do a lot of like bot-like activity on your phone, because that can usually end up being the reason why you end up causing these types of problems with your account. So sometimes your account might just go through and if you ended up either getting your account compromised, or you started sending a lot of people Snapchats or doing a lot of like bot-like activity for the most part, that can probably end up being the reason why you may have ran into this problem. So the best thing you can do in that case is just to let your account rest. Don't try to do anything crazy and don't log in, and give it about 24 hours before logging back in. That's kind of the easiest way of kind of going about fixing this problem. And that's kind of the first step that I recommend kind of doing here. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it or that doesn't end up fixing it for you, the next thing I'd kind of recommend thinking about here is to go through and try seeing if there was some random issue with the Snapchat application. So you can type in Snapchat on your app store just like this. And what you can do is you can go through and you can just update the Snapchat application. Sometimes that might end up fixing the problem for you. That's kind of the easiest thing to do. That's another thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if your account is like permanently banned, sometimes you might see a little button over here that says something like appeal. So what you can do is you can just jump right into this particular page right here, and you can just appeal those particular, problems. So you can go here, appeal it, and that's another really easy thing I'd recommend kind of fixing here as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.